light chapter numerical of mirror. The first question is sunlight is incident on a concave mirror parallel to its principal axis. The image formed at a distance of 12 cm from the pole. Find the radius of curvature. So first we draw a concave mirror. Here you see that this mirror is a concave mirror. Let us suppose that M and N. Mn is a concave mirror and the parallel lines which is प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के ये लाइन जो है ए बी लाइन प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस ये वाला लाइन होगा जो सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर और पोल से जाता है. सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर और पोल से जो लाइन जाता है उसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. ये लाइन प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस है. अब इसका
एक मिनट रुक जाइए.
Today we will discuss the topic of numericals of mirror in light. First question, the sunlight is incident on a concave mirror. तो सबसे पहले concave mirror को ड्रॉ करेंगे. concave mirror हमारा मान लीजिए कि Mn is a concave mirror. अब इस क्वेश्चन में बोल रहा है कि सनलाइट एक्चुअल में होगा कहाँ? अप टू इन्फिनिटी. तो इन्फिनिटी से कोई लाइन को हमको लाना है तो पैरेलल लाइन कमिंग फ्रॉम इन्फिनिटी. उसके बाद ये लाइन जो है वो पैरेलल है प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के. तो प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस का डिफिनीशन आपको ऑलरेडी बता चुके हैं कि प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस इज अ स्ट्रेट लाइन पासिंग फ्रॉम पोल टू सेंटर. ये वाला लाइन जो है दैट लाइन इज कॉल्ड प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. अब इस एक्सिस के पैरेलली सनलाइट आ रहा है. उसके बाद इसका इमेज कहाँ बनेगा? तो इसका इमेज पैरेलल लाइंस आता है वो कहाँ जाकर मिलता है? वो फोकस पे मिलता है कनकेव मिरर के केस में. ये डिस्टेंस दे रखा है 12 सेंटीमीटर. 12 centimeter. So focal length is given 12 centimeter. Parallel line, that is AB is parallel to, let us suppose that OP, and CD is parallel to OP. These two parallel lines AB and CD, and its image is formed at a focus. Its image is formed at a focus, and focus is given 12 centimeter. In that case, this one is a negative. So here the question asks, क्वेश्चन जो हमसे पूछ रहा है कि find the radius of curvature. As we know, or as you know that radius of curvature is known 2f. Radius of curvature is equal to 2f. So here the radius of curvature of that mirror is 2 into 12. That is 24 centimeter. Negative with negative sign because it is a concave mirror. So this is the solution of your first question. Here the second question is, an object is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter from a convex mirror. Firstly we draw a convex mirror. This one is a convex mirror and the object is placed from that convex mirror is at the 20 centimeter. So U is equal to minus 20 centimeter. Of focal length 25 centimeter. Focal length of convex mirror is here in that side. So focal length is positive 25 centimeter. So find the value position of the image. 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F by applying mirror formula. Here U is given minus 20 centimeter, F is given plus 25 centimeter. So V is what? Not given. So finding the V, we use mirror formula, and the mirror formula is 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F, and 1 by V is equal to what? 1 by F minus 1 by U. By putting the values here, 1 by V is equal to 1 by 25 minus 1 by minus 20, 1 by minus 20. So here 1 by 25 plus 1 by 20, what you got? LCM of 20 and 25,
100.
10, 5 4s are 20 and 5 5s are 25. So 100. 4 plus 5, 1 by V is equal to 9 by 100 centimeter. 9 by 100 centimeter. So V is equal to 100 by 9 centimeter. This is the answer of your position of image. So here you got the 100 by 9. This is the position of image position, and the nature. Discuss the nature. For nature we use magnification. M is equal to minus V by U. Put the value of V 100 by 9 and U minus 20. Minus cancel. 20, you got 5 by 9. So here you see 5 by 9, magnification is 5 by 9. That means it is diminished. V is positive. That means the image is formed just in that side of mirror, not in left side, right side of mirror. V is positive, it shows the image is formed on the right side of the mirror. And magnification, you see 5 by 9, that means too much diminished figure is, too much diminished image is formed. So in that way we solve these type of questions. The third question is, a 2 centimeter high object is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter from a concave mirror. Here you see this is a concave mirror, and the object height of object is 2 centimeter. A real image is formed. That means by cutting the real lines, a real image is formed at a 40 centimeter. This one from here to here 40 centimeter. Object is placed at a 20 centimeter. This object is placed, this line is this one, this distance is 20 centimeter. इसको या तो आप रे डायग्राम ऐसे बनाओगे, नहीं तो दूसरा तरीका आपका ये है कि सीधे आप कनकेव मिरर बना दो, ऑब्जेक्ट का डिस्टेंस 20 सेंटीमीटर पे शो करो और इमेज का डिस्टेंस इधर नीचे, रियल होगा तो नीचे ही बनेगा, इसको आप शो कर दो इधर 40 सेंटीमीटर, जो आपको आसान लगे इजीली। आप एग्जाम में ऐसे भी बनाओगे तो नंबर नहीं कटेगा। अब इसमें u का वैल्यू -20 सेंटीमीटर, v -40 सेंटीमीटर, देन f I don't know or we don't know. So by applying mirror formula, 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. So putting these values, so 1 by f is equal to 1 by -40 plus 1 by -20. So plus minus, this become 1 by -40 minus 1 by 20. So 40 and 20, LCM of 40 and 20 is 40. Five, 40. So you got 40 centimeter. Here 40 divided by 40, that means 1 into 1, that is 1, and -20 minus 2. So you got -3 by 40. Hence f is equal to what? 40 by 3 minus 40 by 3 centimeter. So you got the value of f is equal to 40 by 3. Then 40 by 3 is approximately how much? 40 by 3, 3 1 ja 3, 1 3 3 ja 9, 13.33, that is minus 13.33 centimeter. So value of f is minus 13.33 centimeter, and this one is in that way here 13 point. Then magnification. What is the size of image? So for size of image, for getting size of image, we use magnification. M is equal to height of image by height of object, or minus v by u. Here you put the value of u is -40, value of v is -40, and value of u is -20. These minus minus become plus, so 2, that means 2 centimeter, and 2 by 1, and here height of image by height of object is equal to 2 by 1, that means, and this one is also given, height of object. So height of image is 2 into height of object, that means 2 into 2, that is 4 times. दुगुना वो बड़ा हो जाएगा, यानी कि 4 सेंटीमीटर. द हाइट ऑफ इमेज इज 4 सेंटीमीटर. इसको समझ लो, हाइट ऑफ इमेज बाई हाइट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट, माइनस वी बाई यू. वी का वैल्यू -40 था, यू का वैल्यू 20, इससे हमको आया 2 by 1 सेंटीमीटर इन माइनस. यहाँ हाइट ऑफ इमेज बाई हाइट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट, ये माइनस में ही होगा, 2 by 1. हाइट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट हमारा दिया है 2 सेंटीमीटर, इसको यहाँ डालेंगे, 2 into 2 -4, दैट मीन्स ये क्या होगा, मैग्नीफाइड है, रियल है, माइनस में आ रहा है वैल्यू, तो दैट इज मैग्नीफाइड एंड रियल, एंड साइज ऑफ इमेज इज ट्वाइस द साइज ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट. ऑब्जेक्ट का साइज इतना तो इसका साइज इसका दुगुना होगा. ओके.
वैसे ही क्यों
In this question number 4, find the position, size and nature of image formed by a spherical mirror from the following data. Here data is given. U is given as a minus 20 centimeter, F is given minus 15 centimeter, and height of object is given 1 centimeter. So which one is not given? V is not given here, and height of image is not given. So by applying mirror formula, one by V plus one by U is equal to 1 by F. Here you see 1 by V is equal to 1 by F minus 1 by U. Forgetting V. Putting the all values inside them, 1 by F is equal to 1 minus 15 minus minus U. U is minus 20. So this minus minus become plus. That one become 1 by minus 15 minus minus plus 1 by 20. The LCM of 15 and 20. LCM of 15 and 20.
60
That will be 60. So 4, this one minus 4 and plus 3. Then you got what? That is in centimeter. Minus 1 by 60 centimeter. So 1 by V is equal to 1 by 60 centimeter. So V becomes V becomes minus 60 centimeter. Okay. So here the value of V is how much? The value of V is minus 60 centimeter. Then for magnification, M is equal to height of image by height of object, and V is minus 16, or this one is minus V by U. Here U is minus 20 and V is minus 60. So this minus is cancelled. So 2 3s are. Then height of image by height of object is equal to 3 by 1. So height of image is object is given 1 centimeter. Hence height of image is equal to 3 into height of object. That is 3 into height of object is 1. That will be equal to minus 3. Here minus 3 minus. That will become 3 centimeter. Here the minus sign shows that the image is, the minus sign shows that the image is, the magnification is 3 and the height of image and height of object, the height of image is minus 3 into height of object. Height of object is 1 centimeter. So this one become height of image is minus 3 centimeter. The sign minus shows that this one is a real image formed by the mirror. ये ध्यान दीजिएगा कि रियल वाला जो होगा उसी में आपका -3 आएगा, प्लस वाला जो भी वैल्यू होगा वो वर्चुअल इमेज के लिए आता है. ओके. टी टापी Here the fifth question is a 2 centimeter high object is placed at a distance of 32 centimeter from a concave mirror. Here is a mirror. Which type of mirror? Concave mirror. The image is real, inverted and 3 centimeter high in size, 3 centimeter in size. Find the focal length of the mirror and position of the image. This is a very good question. It is very good question. Here magnification, as we know that magnification is what? Height of image by height of object. Height of image for a concave mirror, object is placed in that side and image is formed in that one. So height of image is 3, that will be negative, and height of object, because it is inverted, in that side image is formed. Height of image is in that side and height of object in that side. So this side is negative and this side is positive. Height of object is plus 2 centimeter. So centimeter is cancelled. So this one become 1.5 minus 1.5. And we also know that magnification is equal to minus V by U. Here U is also given. U is given minus 32 centimeter. यहाँ U का वैल्यू 32 सेंटीमीटर दिया हुआ है माइनस में. मैग्निफिकेशन हमारा कितना आया है निकाले तो minus 1.5. सो minus 1.5 इज इक्वल टू माइनस V का वैल्यू नहीं पता है, U का वैल्यू हमको पता है minus 32. ओके, सो ये माइनस से ये माइनस कटेगा और V इज इक्वल टू minus 1.5 into 32. So this one become minus centimeter. This one is centimeter. So 48. So V become how much? Minus 48 centimeter. Then find the focal length. So how you get the focal length? By using mirror formula. By applying mirror formula. U is minus 32, V is minus 48. So F is equal to what? So 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. 1 by V minus 48 plus 1 by U. U is what? 1 by minus 32. That will be 1 by F. So this minus and plus become minus. So 1 by 48 minus 1 by 32 is equal to 1 by F. So taking the LCM of 48 and 32, we get 96. का LCM आप निकालिएगा, ये आएगा 96. 96, then 48, two जा 96 minus 2 and 32 3 जा 96. So 1 by F is equal to this one. Here 1 by F is equal to minus 5 by 96 और f is equal to 96/5, that is negative in sign. So by dividing this you got the value of f. Okay, thank you. After solving the 5 problems, हमने आपको 5 प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करके बताया. उस 5 प्रॉब्लम के बाद एक 2 प्रॉब्लम हम आपको दे रहे हैं जिसको कि आपको करना है खुद से. और इसको अगर आप सॉल्व नहीं कर पाते इस क्वेश्चन को तो आप प्लीज़ कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिएगा. और उसके बाद आपको कहाँ प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, क्या दिक्कत है, क्योंकि पिछला 5 जो है वो 5 क्वेश्चंस का सॉल्यूशन को आप एक बार चेक करेंगे, पूरा देखेंगे वीडियो को. और वीडियो को देखने के बाद उसके बाद इस दोनों क्वेश्चन को करके देखिएगा. ज़रूर क्वेश्चन आपका बनना चाहिए. नहीं बनेगा तो आप एक बार आप कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख दीजिएगा. ओके, थैंक्स.